Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for my online friends for coming back to my channel and watching my video. Thank you so much for your support, your love, your care and all of that jazz. And of course, if you're new here, I welcome you. Thank you so much for your tapping of the subscribe button. Right, let's get on, okay? This week's video is inspired by so many comments I get asked, asking for the help to help retain length. If you've been watching me for a little while, you'll notice that my hair, I've had a massive hair growth boost recently, and I just want to share what I've been doing. I don't know, I'm not sure if any of my points that I'm going to be raising are the things I no longer do to retain length. So I thought I'd put this video together to answer the same thing over and over again. Okay, so if this is something you are interested in, sis, you have to hang on. But get your tea, your popcorn, and your banku, and cut auntie for lotto, okay? Alright, as always, if you're new here, you might not know, but we're going to see the hair, okay? I always introduce the hair, and right now, this is wash day today. It's day 7. Look at the hair! Sis, I know. Alright, so let me get on with these tips instead of showing off with my hair. Okay, so let's do this in no particular order. Before I start, okay, this is a disclaimer. These are my points that have worked for me. Nobody. You in the back, can you hear this? I'm just sharing my experience with you. Disclaimer over. One of the things that I feel that was a game changer for me is to detangle my hair with my fingers 90% of the time and then go in with a detangling brush. You can see my whole detangling process here in a card. Another thing that I do not do anymore is use gels that have alcohol in. Now this is important for me because I love wash and goes, and I've grown my hair really by using wash and goes, which is great. So having a styling gel is really important for me. So to not be using a product that might be great for some, but it leaves my hair dry every single time I use Eco Styler. Now I no longer use gels that have got alcohol in them, and instead I've opted for a gel with clean ingredients that is able to give me fantastic results and doesn't leave my hair dry, basically. Okay, so another thing I no longer do, which I believe has helped me to retain length, is that I never leave my hair in protective styles for longer than a couple of days. Literally. By nature, our curly hair is curly. Clever, aren't I? As time goes by, especially if there's humidity in the air and we go into different climates, our hair begins to shrink and curl up on itself even more, and creating single strand knots we just don't need, which can usually result in cutting the thing out. That definitely is not retaining length, is it? The longer you leave that style in, the easier your hair is going to intertwine on itself, even if your hair is blown out. Alright, another thing that I no longer do, which I feel has contributed for me retaining length, is I no longer use these type of bands. Look, oh look, there's already hair on it. Can you see the hair? Goodness me. Okay, and they're not long as well, they're short pieces. That's just my point. That's my point, sis. No longer using these, and even the ones with the slight metal bit there. No, we don't do these anymore. Absolutely not. So now I only, and I want the choir to say with me, only satin or silk. I do have another alternative, and that's the banana clips. These banana clips are amazing. They're so good. There are pros and cons to this. They do really grip your hair, trust me. So you have to be very careful how you pull your hair into them. And very rarely am I picking out any hair of these. Very rarely. Now another thing that I no longer do, which I feel has contributed again to me having a healthy scalp, is not leaving my hair longer than 7 days, longer than a week to wash my hair, to cleanse my hair, to cleanse my scalp, to get all the debris off my scalp, let my hair breathe. I no longer leave it for, oh, you know, it's not itching, let me just leave it. I no longer say, well, my hair looks fine. I no longer think, just one more day. Just one more day. I no longer do that. I get to washing my hair. Scalp love is the main contributor. My scalp is very healthy, and how I get my scalp healthy is cleansing the scalp. You have to keep it clean. Anyway, that's my thinking, okay? my thinking. Another thing that I no longer do is just moisturize my hair every single day. Like it's another day, so I've got to moisturize it. I don't do that. I used to do that every day. The other thing that I no longer do is style my hair every single day. I don't intentionally try and create a new hairstyle every single day. I used to want to just put my hair up one day and then put it down the next day and put it on the side the day after and then push it all the way back. Whenever I get up in the morning, I just take the satin bonnet out and I just like let my hair just fall down, let it shake out, leave it for about 5-10 minutes. And then 9 times out of 10, what I actually do to my hair is this. With a satin scrunchie, just like that, with my hair loose, okay? Loose as a moose. And then I just get another one and just tuck those ends in. That's what I do. That's it. That's all I do. And my husband still loves me, eh? Now, one other thing that I no longer do, which I feel that has really, really helped me, because if you want to do anything, you want to make any changes, it starts up here in your mindset. My mindset has changed now. I no longer focus on length at all. And I used to measure my hair all the time. Well, I mean, what did I expect? Another 5 inches overnight. So my focus is no longer about length, it is now about the health of my hair. And it's a routine that I follow from my ebook. Hey, a shameless plug. For those of you who don't know, I do have a ebook. I'll leave a link in the description bar below. So I followed the routine in my ebook that's really great for me rethinking my mind and re-educating myself about the health of my hair and my skin. Okay guys, I hope this helps. A little short video to give you a something of the things that I no longer do to help me retain length. Thank you to so many of you that entered the giveaway for last week's video. You know, I know you wanted to get the free giveaway, but you know, you still followed me on my Instagram. So thank you so much. I really want my IG account to start growing even more. Grow. Help our sister out and follow me, okay? I will leave the details in the description bar. Feel free to follow. Okay. Now before I go, I always like to hear back from you guys. Let's keep these lines of communication going. Share your tips down in the comments below that we can all learn from, the things that you no longer do that's helped you retain that beautiful healthy length. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you like this kind of content and share it. All right, I'm going now. I'll see you again in my next video. You take care and God bless you. Bye.